All right, y'all. So we got 24 hours in New York. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Shaded by So on the lenses, the elegance in marble. Let's see what's popping in New York for one day. All right, y'all. Just touched down in New York. Haven't been here since 2022, and I have no idea how I'm about to take the train into Manhattan. So let's figure it out. Okay, so here's how we're going to do it. We're just going to follow the signs to ground transportation. There are signs everywhere in the airport. Look, there's a photo op spot, and I just followed the signs to all buses and shuttles. And here's where I discovered the sign for a free bus that will take you to the subway. I said a free bus. You know I'm down for the free, okay? Then I continued to follow the signs that took me to the Q70 bus. So just make sure you read the bus name before getting on. All right, then I took the train that took me into Manhattan. Again, just following signs, and don't be afraid to ask someone, because even though people moving fast, you can ask the staff or you can ask someone who's not moving fast. And the train will take you straight up into Manhattan, and it was a Friday morning, so it wasn't too busy, surprisingly. And here is where I took the exit. Google Maps was also my best friend during this trip. So I made it to Times Square. Your girl is in Manhattan. It was an easy commute via public transportation. Go so. All right, so right now I am heading to UT 47, which is a restaurant that serves vegan food and non-vegan food, but I really love their vegan panini. So that's on the agenda for the first stop for breakfast because I'm hungry. So I discovered UT 47 Kitchen in 2021 when I took my first solo trip to New York. So make sure you check out that vlog. I had so much fun. This panini is so freaking good. Job. If you're in Manhattan, go to UT 47 for a vegan or non-vegan panini. Breakfast was bomb. Definitely oh my God, y'all, hold on. What the hell? Now, what? Trying to attack me. All right. Anyways, it was definitely a great way to start the day in New York. So right now, I am walking to the Museum of Broadway. Super excited. I love going to museums when I'm in like different cities because you see new things, learn new things, new experience. So the walk is about 9 minutes from the restaurant. And it's actually right next door to the hotel I'm staying at. So I'm also gonna see if I can drop my bag off at the hotel. But let's go on this walk. I love a walkable city, so this is so exciting for me.
Okay, Osa.
Okay, so I just checked into my room, which is right next door to the Museum of Broadway. Look, it never hurts to ask, because if I didn't ask, I wouldn't be able to check in and put my bags down and decompress for a little bit before going back out into the scene of Times Square. So one thing when you're on trips, ask if the room is ready early, because you never know. It's ready 4 hours early. This is great. I love it. I'm excited. And the room is nice. Should I show y'all the room? I ain't getting paid, but I'll show y'all the room. Okay, to the left is the bathroom. Walk-in shower. Nice, cute. Then you come in, and to the left is the bed, and that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. Not too much to see here in New York. Well, at least not in this room. And I am on the 28th floor. I need to go find some hand sanitizer. Oh, Lord bless it. Let's look at the view, y'all. From the 28th floor. I just love the tall buildings in New York and how beautiful New York is. Very, very lively. I can't wait to see this view at night and seeing the section of bright lights. All right, let's go to the museum. Okay, done with the museum. Now I am heading to, hold on. As I was saying, done with the museum. That was a nice experience. Now I'm walking through the streets again. I'm on 8th Ave, I think. And I am heading to Summit Vanderbilt, which is a interactive experience. Now the tickets are sold out online, but once again, we're just trying stuff. And we're gonna see if they got a ticket for me or not. Come on. They have no more tickets until 8:30 p.m. tonight, and that's not gonna work because I'm going to my brother's friend's launch party tonight. So we're gonna try the Empire State Building. Let's go. But before heading to the Empire State Building, let's take a quick detour to Grand Central Station. So I wanted some ice cream, so I went to the Van Leeuwen inside of Grand Central Station, and they do have quite a few vegan options. So I was like, let me try something new: the vegan strawberry shortcake and the vegan. What was that, y'all? I think that's caramel cookies and cream, something like that. But it was very tasty. Then I was like, oh, the New York Public Library. Let me stop here. So I came across the New York Public Library on my walk to the Empire State Building. I'm on 5th Ave. And I decided to just sit on the steps of the New York Public Library and just look out. So many people. So many things going on, cars, buses, walkers, bikers, taxis, people on the streets selling items. It's just, I love the busyness of New York. Sometimes you just gotta sit back and take it all in. Now, if this wasn't the most touristy thing that I could do while I was here, I don't know what was, but it was a whole bunch of tourists. I met up with my niece. She came in from Maryland. So that was fun to have a niece auntie day. Okay, we took the elevator up on, I don't know how many floors, y'all. I'm going to type it somewhere. But the view up there was definitely beautiful. All the years I lived in Maryland, my parents never took me inside of the Empire State Building. So it's time to do stuff for myself as I'm an adult, okay? And have fun. On the 86th floor of the Empire State Building. So high. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. It is so windy up here. Like, bring a jacket for sure. So me and my niece are done with the Empire State Building visit. She don't like to be on camera, so. Well, she don't like to be on other people's camera, let's be specific. So that's that. Anyways, now I'm heading to go get dinner at one of my favorite vegan spots, which is Vegan on the Fly. Come on, let me just show y'all. Come on. I discovered Vegan on the Fly during my 2021 solo trip to New York, so make sure you watch that vlog. Anyways, it's a dope spot owned by some local folks in New York. I got the jerk barbecue drumsticks along with the chopped cheese mac bowl. That thing hit, y'all. Look at how cheesy that was. I was scared for my stomach, but I was okay. 10 minutes to 9. Heading to this rooftop party. Your girl's walking in her chunky heels, so I'll be all right. There's a lot going on, which is why I had to stop talking earlier. Anyways, walking through Times Square. Very lively. Lights, camera, action. I love it. Love it. Okay, so I made it to the location and my feet are still intact, so that's a good sign. The event took place at LC Rooftop, which was a nice spot. So the event was for a company called Art Class, which merges oil paintings by Angie Crabtree and fine jewelry. So dope. Here are some of her oil canvas paintings. They look like realistic gems. Am modeling some of the fine jewelry on the red carpet. Overall, we had a great time, and of course, I had to get some content in Shaded by Soso walking through the streets of Times Square. I had to get the people what they want, in the words of my friend Kativa. And here is the view from my room at night while the city is lit up. It is 12:35 a.m. I am about to go to this spot called Zillion's Pizza and get a vegan slice of pizza, even though I'm not really hungry, but I'm in Manhattan, why not? You know what I mean? It's kind of like, why not just go get the pizza. Go get the pizza. So my flight is at 9 a.m. tomorrow, so I do need to be, I really need to be out the door by like 7 the latest. So I do have my alarm set for 6:30 a.m. It's giving a lack of sleep weekend. It's giving we outside. It's giving why not. Summer ends in, I think, a week or so from now, something like that. So do the things, y'all. Just do the things. Why not? And I'm just like taking in the walkability, like being able to walk this late at night. Oh no, I have 8 seconds. Hold on, y'all. Being able to walk this late at night. Because we know in Atlanta, your girl would not even, no. But since I can do that here, it's like, why not? I just stopped by my brother's hotel. I had to go get some Shaded by Soso sunglasses because Shaded by Soso is doing a pop-up tomorrow. I'm just gonna run myself tired. I'll sleep on Monday. Let's keep the party going. Y'all, they did not have the vegan pizza. This is a sign. I don't need it. Good night, New York. I'm tired. Love you, New York City, Manhattan, Times Square. Beautiful. So, it is 6:53 a.m. I'm about to head to the train station to go to the airport. So, what I'm doing right now is I'm taking 6 and 47th, a metro station, or a train station, I should say. What subway? What the heck do New Yorkers call it? But anyways, I'm taking that to Roosevelt and 45th, something like that. And then I'm getting on the free bus that takes you to the airport. So, walking to the station, it's like a 5-minute walk from my hotel, not terrible. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me in New York for 24 hours. Your girl's tired. Gotta pop up for Shaded by Soso in T-minus 10 hours, so good luck to me. All right. Here's how I took the subway back to the airport. I had to get on the F train, so I took the F uptown. Since I was downtown, I need to go uptown. And the F goes to Queens Boulevard Express via 63, blah, 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 right? So get on the train, and the stop that I'm getting off at is Roosevelt Ave. And you can see on Roosevelt Ave, the Q70, which is the free bus, that's where it picks up from. So Roosevelt Ave is your station if you want that free bus, okay? And around the station, it's definitely looking real homey and local, okay? Bus comes, you're on the way to the airport. Thank you all so much for watching. Watch the next video.